The 2021 Infiniti Q60 is one of the most stylish coupes on the market. Absolutely beautiful design, and unfortunately it looks like 2022 will be the last year of the Q60. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of people buying coupes. In fact, there's not a lot of people buying sedans these days, coupes especially. Everyone seems to be buying crossover SUVs, so that's what everyone seems to be focused on making. Unfortunately, we're only selling a handful of new Q60s. So Infiniti is just discontinuing the lineup. Maybe it will be replaced in the future by an all-electric vehicle. Still to be determined. It's not 100% set in stone, but it looks like 2022 is the last year for the Q60. So if you're looking for a nice, clean example, obviously new ones are few and far between. The few new ones that we still have are loaded red sports. Maybe if you don't want a loaded red sport, it might be harder to find one a little bit lesser equipment on it. But we have this beautiful 2021 3.0 LUXE all-wheel drive Q60. Absolutely beautiful example of only 5,830 miles on it. Absolutely stunning. In fact, we actually sold this vehicle brand new. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We sold it new at our store. And with only 5,830 miles, it's come back to us. And it's still in near new condition. It still even has a twinge of that new car smell. So if you're looking for nearly new or new Q60, maybe you can't find one exactly with the equipment you want, maybe this slightly pre-owned one would be a great one to consider. In fact, we can do one better. This one's an Infiniti certified pre-owned vehicle. Remember, you can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti retailer like us. So basically, you get all the benefits of buying a brand new Infiniti. You get great benefits like roadside assistance and trip interruption benefits for the duration of the certified warranty. They extend the warranty of the vehicle with the certified warranty. Then you get roadside assistance, trip interruption benefits. You get a complimentary Infiniti service owner vehicles for extended service stays, and they extend the warranty on the vehicle itself. So you get more coverage and all the benefits of a brand new Infiniti. Contact us or visit infinitiusa.com for a complete list of benefits of Infiniti's pre-owned certification. The Q60 is absolutely stunning sport luxury coupe. We have the original build sheet on this one. 2021 is a great year because in 2020 they upgraded the infotainment system. We now have Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto, a crisper high-resolution display for the top and bottom display. We have a lot of standard equipment in 21 on the Q60 LUXE all-wheel drive. This one also has the essential package that was $2,050, giving you a navigation system with premium traffic and map care. Voice recognition for the navigation functions, Sirius XM traffic and nav link. That's a subscription-based system. Power tilt and telescoping steering column, the dual occupant memory seats for driver's seat, steering column and outside mirrors. Power, auto, and dimming outside mirrors with reverse tilt down feature. And you have an advanced climate control system that cleans and filters the air. And of course, we can print you out a copy or email you one so you can peruse it yourself. Beautiful color combination in midnight black on stone with black accents. Really beautiful color combination. Lovely aluminum trim. So we have a drive mode selector right here that will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction, stability control settings. So you have snow, eco, standard, sport, and personal. So we have dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tab-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. This has a 360-degree around view monitor with a backup collision intervention. You can change views. Great for low-speed maneuvering. The bottom screen has a tab-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can actually access the drive mode selector here, and you can personalize it, drill down a little bit deeper. You can make changes to the engine and transmission, sport, eco, standard, and snow mode. You can make changes to the steering effort. Active trace control brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. All right, so nice leather up steering wheel. Beautiful shape inside and out. We have a Bose Performance Series audio system. If you like music, you'll definitely appreciate that. Power folding outside mirrors. And as you can imagine, with only 5,000 miles, the leather's in great shape. Like I said, it still even has a twinge of that new car smell. So the Q60 has all-wheel drive optional, rear-wheel drive is standard. So So you have a decent sized trunk. Rural drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This has intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. The all-wheel drive system is quite an amazing all-wheel drive system. I've been with Infiniti close to 20 years. I own an Infiniti with a similar all-wheel drive system. It's called a TESA, which stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All-Terrain. They've been using this all-wheel drive system Infiniti products for about 20 years, since the early 2000s. We've seen it in the G35, the FX series, the QX70, the G35, G37, Q50, Q60. It's been a lot of vehicles. It got its claim to fame in the R32 Skyline. That all-wheel drive system helped the R32 Skyline in racing success in the Japanese touring car series. And since then, it's been in a lot of different Nissan and Infiniti vehicles. So it's an all-wheel drive system doesn't improve your traction and wet, slippery conditions, but also improves your performance, being a racing-inspired all-wheel drive system. You can get in the power a little bit earlier through the corners, and that all-wheel drive system will help pull you through. Quite an amazing system. That all-wheel drive system pairs nicely to a 3-liter twin-turbo V6, pumping out 300 horsepower. So it's a little drizzly now. With 300 horsepower, a rear-wheel drive version of this Q60 would have a hard time putting all that power to the ground if you're slamming down on that throttle. The rear wheels are just going to want to spin. The traction control system will kick in, and that will, definitely reduce your performance. But with having all that power going into all four wheels with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, determining where to put that power, it's going to greatly improve your wet weather performance. And if you're going to drive in the snow, you'll obviously do a lot better in the snow with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. So it has an electromagnetic differential. So it sends electrical current to that differential to activate the all-wheel drive system, so it can happen very quickly. Basically, it can happen as fast as electricity travels, and electricity travels very fast, as we know. So as soon as those rear wheels slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, you can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. The Q60 is built in the advanced Midship platform, also shared with the Nissan 370Z sports car. Even the brand new Nissan Z even has a variation of this engine. It's a little bit more power than in this one. Same advanced Midship platform. They take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle to help it rotate in its axis and improve the handling and feel through corners. If you're looking for a nice, beautiful Q60, it doesn't get too much better than this low mileage example of this 21 that's certified pre-owned. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.